Welcome back to this abbreviated episode of The Compressor Guru. We need to apologize because we have been having some technical difficulties with our cameras. The camera I used to record 3/4 of this episode, which were the close-ups of exactly how the guru was fixing the compressor, well, that camera failed, totally failed, and we got no footage from it. We apologize. In this episode, you're going to see how fast the guru can move if he is properly motivated, because all we have was our distance camera shooting things from afar. The compressor guru can really move pretty fast these days. Please return to the next episode of The Compressor Guru, which will be up in 2 weeks on a Monday when we normally publish our episodes. The Compressor Guru will be back in 2 weeks on Monday to train compressor students out there who want to learn more things about their compressors and how to fix and maintain them. If you are one of those students and you need parts, please contact the guru at thecompressorguru.com, and he will contact you about the availability of parts for your air compressor. Thank you once again for joining us for The Compressor Guru. Have a great day, and God bless you all.